I wonder why that extraordinary, talented girl left us at such a tender age. She was in her teens only. I'm talking about the cotton candy dream girl, Anwar, daughter of my friend Aisha Aslam Malik. Listen to the young departed soul. She says it all.
Right now, what I am going to read to you is my own poem. It's called When Death Comes Knocking. Death in his cloak, inevitable it seems. With frightful vengeance he stalks my dreams. Bloody passion of murder, greed. With hateful pride he kills my need.
We are on the same.
Bones they shatter with mention of name. Glory gone, broken, maimed. If he shall come for you this night, wrap lifeless fists around the knife. Will you plead for life and soul? Will you reap what you have sown? Will you die in the hands of sin? When death comes knocking, let him in. When death comes knocking, let him in. I would